Yeah, optimal time represents, and for anyone wondering, optimal time is our feature in ProLine that it intelligently decides what time of day and even what day of the week is the correct time to actually send an automated message to a customer, specifically in the context of, for example, sales follow up, to make sure you're sending that at the best time of day when they're most likely to respond, when they're most likely to not be angry at
Hmm.
receiving it, so working around holidays and stuff like that. But it is optimal time is a good example of the really the lowest, simplest tier of what people commonly will call AI, which is really just machine learning. It's the ability to have a system that learns over time. It's able to look at data, and as it collects more data, it's able to refine its decision making capabilities to make a more accurate decision. And that's what the optimal time system was. It was a very simple AI that was built into our automation engine, which isn't itself artificial intelligence, but then is rescheduling and deciding the right time of day to send an automation. So that is like one layer up from just automating. Is
Hmm.
like it's like the first layer of actual that you could call AI. And that's we've had that in ProLine now for three-ish years or
Yep.
more. We approached that. The first piece of AI we ever built in ProLine was, like you're talking about, to make the experience better for our customer's customer. And it successfully did that in a way that a human just simply can't, because it would take way too much time to be monitoring all of this data. And we're approaching this next layer of AI in the exact same way. How do we put together an AI tool set that is able to help our customers delight and create an even better experience for their customers, better than they otherwise would be able to, better than they otherwise might be able to fit and still make a profit, to fit into their budget, and overall something that is going to level up the experience. And I think that's one thing that, like you're saying, people can be scared about. It's like, oh, as AI comes in, is it going to make the experience worse? And I'll say, I can't speak to the way other people are implementing it or other companies are implementing it, but the way ProLine is implementing it is in a way that is going to only increase and improve that experience.